5 easy ways to make your tile floors sparkle. No wax needed. Dear friends, keeping tile floors shiny doesn't always require wax. With simple, natural solutions and innovative cleaning methods, you can restore their sparkle, remove dullness, and keep them looking fresh and bright effortlessly. 1. Vinegar and warm water solution. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water to mop your tiles. This natural cleaner removes dirt, soap scum, and dullness while leaving a fresh shine. 2. Baking soda scrub. For tough stains or grout lines, make a paste of baking soda and water. Scrub gently with a soft brush, rinse, and wipe dry for a brighter, cleaner floor. 3. Lemon juice rinse. Add a few tablespoons of lemon juice to a bucket of warm water and mop the floor. The citric acid cuts through grease, leaving tiles sparkling with a fresh scent. 4. Microfiber mop buffing. After cleaning, buff the tiles with a dry microfiber mop or cloth. This removes streaks and enhances the natural shine of your tile. 5. Steam cleaning. A steam mop uses only water to loosen dirt and grime, sanitizing the floor while restoring its shine. Perfect for a chemical-free deep clean. Always dry your tile floors with a clean microfiber cloth or mop after washing. This prevents water spots and enhances the shine naturally. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.